Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over my top 5 summer foundations for oily skin. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start with the IT Cosmetics, the Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. It has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, vitamins E and B5. This is a very lightweight foundation. It's considered a medium coverage. I believe that it is. You could definitely build it up on your skin and it won't look cakey, it won't settle into wrinkles, and it doesn't accentuate pores. I apply it with a sponge, but you can use a brush, you can use your fingers. I do use a primer with this. This is considered to be hydrating with a natural radiant finish. Now, I don't find it radiant at all. To me, radiant has kind of a glow to it, and I don't find this. I just find that this has just a natural skin-like finish. Considering it's summertime, it's been hot, it's been humid, it wears all day long. Just put this on with a damp sponge or your fingers and you're good to go. So this is a great one. Next, which I'm sure is no surprise because it's a favorite to a lot of people, it's the Dior Backstage Face and Body. And I wore this over the 4th of July weekend and it worked amazing. They claim to be waterproof and sweat resistant with a natural finish, and it did all of that. I was outside from 8 a.m. to around midnight. It was rainy, it was hot, it was humid. I never even had a chance to look at myself or touch up anything during the day until I got home and looked at myself in the mirror. I was extremely surprised. It still looked fantastic, as if I had just put it on. It wasn't cakey. I had amazing coverage. It didn't settle into any of my fine lines, which I have quite a bit of. It didn't accentuate my pores. I actually prefer this over the Estee Lauder Double Wear for a long wear. It was so good. I highly recommend this if you have oily skin. Now, the next one I have is the Chantecaille Future Skin Oil-Free Gel. Now, this really surprised me. I thought this was going to be an oil slick on my face. It has aloe, chamomile, arnica, rosemary, green tea, and rice bran. Now, this claims to be lightweight, oil-free gel, 60% water. It doesn't slide around, it's not greasy. I would say it's slightly buildable. This lasted me, I would say, a good 8 to 9 hours. It started to wear off a little bit around my nose and even like around my chin, but I'm also touching my face, blowing my nose. And I really enjoy wearing this in the summer because of the lightweight. You don't want to put anything super heavy on your face, especially when it's hot and humid, if you're outside, if you're boating, if you're doing whatever outdoors. So this is just fantastic. It's very natural looking. It looked like I had nothing on when I was wearing this. The next one I don't hear too many people talk about. It's by Osmosis. It's their Performance Wear Satin Foundation. And I'm sorry, the top is kind of grubby. I didn't clean it. This is a mineral-based foundation. It's considered to be lightweight. It has anti-aging benefits. It has chamomile, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. So you got some skincare in this as well. I would say this is a little heavier than the IT Cosmetics, but pretty comparable to the Dior Backstage. It doesn't perform as well, but again, it has skincare benefits. It's nice to wear during the summertime. I apply this with the sponge. You can build this up. I think on my skin, if I were to build it up too much, it could potentially look a little cakey and settle into fine lines and wrinkles, but it does not accentuate pores, which is really nice. It lasts a long time, and I highly recommend it. Last but not least, love. This is the Sephora Matte Perfection Tinted Moisturizer. Now, I don't know why they call this a moisturizer. To me, this is more of a foundation. This is hands down my favorite every day to just put on. It covers everything on my face. It's actually buildable. You can put it on so quick. I don't use primer. I just use my fingers. I don't use a setting powder. I don't use a setting spray. I could just put this on and head out the door. This is very comparable to the Chanel, the Velvet. They changed the name of it, I'm not sure. I actually have it, but I don't have it here with me. I would say this is almost a dupe. The only difference is this does not contain sunscreen, and the Chanel contains sunscreen. This is a fraction of the price. This is only $18. No fuss, no muss. Put it right on your face. Wears extremely well, does not wear off, does not settle into fine lines or wrinkles, does not accentuate pores, is not cakey. It's fantastic. So that's it, guys. Those are my top 5 foundations that I am currently wearing for my oily skin during the summer. They are no fuss. They are easy to apply. They are long wearing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Why do I do that?